Homemade Arabian Za'atar bread and papaya pineapple smoothie recipe, Iftar and Ramadan special, affordable and easy for beginners. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel kitchen. Today, in the spirit of Ramadan, we're going to prepare a delightful iftar treat, homemade Arabian Za'atar bread paired with a refreshing papaya pineapple smoothie. Perfect for beginners, affordable, and bursting with flavors. Let's start with the ingredients for our Za'atar bread. For the dough, you'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of instant yeast, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 3/4 cup of warm water. And for the Za'atar topping, 2 tablespoons of Za'atar spice blend, 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Now, moving on to our papaya pineapple smoothie, you'll need 1 ripe papaya, peeled and diced, 1 cup of fresh pineapple chunks, 1 ripe banana, 1 cup of coconut water, honey, optional, for sweetness, ice cubes. First, let's make the dough. In a mixing bowl, combine the all-purpose flour, instant yeast, sugar, and salt. Mix well to combine. Then, make a well in the center and add olive oil and warm water. Knead the dough until it's smooth and elastic, for about 8 to 10 minutes. Then, cover it with a clean kitchen towel and let it rest for 1 hour, or until it doubles in size. While the dough is rising, let's prepare our Za'atar topping. Set it aside for later. Now, let's move on to our refreshing smoothie. In a blender, add the diced papaya, pineapple chunks, ripe banana, and coconut water. Blend until smooth and creamy. If you prefer a sweeter taste, you can add some honey, but it's optional. Finally, add some ice cubes to make it chilled and refreshing. Our papaya pineapple smoothie is ready. Now, let's move back to our Za'atar bread. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. Now, brush each flattened dough circle with the prepared Za'atar topping, ensuring it's evenly distributed. Bake the Za'atar bread in the preheated oven for about 12 to 15 minutes, or until they're golden brown and slightly crispy on the edges. Just look at these golden beauties. Our homemade Arabian Za'atar bread is ready to be served. And there you have it, a delicious and nutritious iftar treat that's perfect for Ramadan or any time of the year. Ingredients and preparations methods are in the description box. Our homemade Arabian Za'atar bread paired with a refreshing papaya pineapple smoothie. Simple, affordable, and bursting with flavors. Enjoy. Thank you for joining me in the kitchen today. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our multi-recipes and cookeries channel for more delicious content. Ramadan Mubarak. Ma'as salama. Thank you very much Za'atar bread paired with a refreshing papaya pineapple smoothie lovers.